The views and opinions expressed in this show are solely those of the hosts and guests and do not reflect the views of the AMP network. Parental guidance is advised for viewers under the age of 16, as some content may include strong language. Viewer discretion is advised.
What's good, guys? Welcome to the M Select, and I'm not alone. Ngihleli my superstars here. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna let them introduce themselves before we give you the scope of what the show is about. So, what's good, guys?
Shosho Ntangafede.
Awe.
Okrenjam.
Ngamnanja.
Fam, this is your boy Novite MC Ntwana Sekasi Nampumpa Setolopedi. Welcome to M Select. You know, the hardest and the freshest podcast that we are about to start. Yazin. Aniko ready.
Ready.
But I'm not alone, you know. There's always a woman involved.
Always has to be a woman involved.
Yeah, but it can't be a dick festival, so
Exactly.
Allow her to introduce herself, guys.
Hi guys, it's Tando Mash, Tando the Wave. You go fuck around and drown off these waves. Sparkles.
Yeah.
Confetti.
Yeah, stinger on.
That's what we need.
Production team, you need to organize that shit. Say,
Please.
Woo, and then the red carpets. I need to work on the red carpets.
Champagne.
Yeah, guys, super. We need red carpet.
You get what I'm saying?
I eat breakfast, and the breakfast here must be proper.
Continental
English breakfast.
Yeah, because we are continental. Like you need, we are a treasure. Fana na samcholweni yabo. Muntu ochola nawe achievement. Nah, icheri melitreat umjita njengeqanda leGrootman.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no, but don't you feel like it should happen like that?
Yeah, it should be. Yeah,
Umjita. But I feel like Tando doesn't agree with me. The way I'm paying a call. You know,
No, like you guys deserve to be treated nice too. I'm just saying that I won't be treated like I won't be doing that because I don't like you guys like that. Oh, guys, this is Lizzie. Lisbeth, come on, like.
Lizzie.
Yeah, she's got my dreams. I'm a poopo. So she's just gonna sit here, okay? You watch her. Yeah. Oh, it's a painful. It's a painful. Me, Nene. You know when parents were warning, boys just want one thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're that one thing.
Yeah, like me, ngifuna two things. One, ngifuna imali yakho. Obviously. Bese two ngifuna yabo. Ilokhulu. Yimina ke lo. Yabona the girls that they were warning you about kini.
At least now they know what they are signing up for.
And the bazozo uzobona legend yini uzobona
abomponeng I wanna see you.
Ngibona nini
I wanna see you.
Ngiyabhora yo, like, oh my god, I hope you guys don't do that, like ngibona nini.
But we need to ask ngibona nini how.
What other way can you ask?
Excuse me in your busy schedule mfethu kanti linsanga.
Hi Tando, Friday ngo 7 ngicela ukukhipha for i-date.
You can't always be
like I feel like my 2 cent opinion, like effort should go where effort is given. Now we're for
how it can't always be.
How ngiyakhipa mina.
Yabona la madoda wama princess wona.
No,
yeah,
it's not about because we want to see okay. Because we want you to reciprocate.
Yeah.
The same energy.
Okay.
And so it doesn't mean that we want to be princess or
no,
what.
guys, you guys also deserve to be treated nice and taken out on dates. Yeah.
And then I'm thinking of ice skating. McDonald's.
Oh, that is so cute.
Yeah, ice skating. Mfunu uya konjini le ndawo le. Mfunu uya a museum.
Yeah.
Art museum.
Okay. To be specific.
Yeah.
I know you'd like that though, yeah.
Yeah.
Ungithengela amaflower nami.
Oh, what kind of flowers you like?
Hayi mina noma yimaphi yebo.
Oh,
I mean my kind of flowers.
So take coffin spray when what do you like?
Just for the
I mean my kind of flowers would say like a soccer t-shirt maybe at least like yebo.
Oh yeah, the soccer t-shirt Malin.
I mean
Hayibo unqobile. Okay.
Uyayazi i-date uyazi ukuthi ngispenda malini.
Uzothenga naleya semva kwendlu akhona amabhakweni. Someone is wedding in Bagweglu.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
What's like if like a girl were to take you out on a date, ne?
Yeah.
Where would you want to go? Like where would you think she should take you? Like yabo.
Not the most expensive like places. Like we can go Rokomamas.
When
We
they
can
got we
go.
mind, ne?
Yeah.
Got like you
I
say
don't
like
mind. I
I'm
don't mind.
I do mind.
Simple.
Mina
I don't
don't
mind, dog.
I do mind. Like i-level ongikhiphela kuyo i-level ebonisayo ukuthi ndeni ungibekaphi like ungirate kangakanani njoba mengishilo ukujola nami achievement.
Right.
So like you
Right.
need to treat your achievement right.
Queen.
Ukuthi izochubeka nayo ibe achievement. Phela ayahamba ama achievement ayaphela. Yabo.
Nama lokusitshela ukuthi wena wagraduate crash.
When I graduate crash when I waqeda matric now it's not a trend
Now it doesn't matter.
So the more we treat a right achievement yakho the more iba ne value.
Okay.
So kahle kahle ukutreat right ukuspend.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That's the way it is, bruh.
Jomo.
Exe bafethu was happening.
Sure.
Hello.
Mina ngithi ngiphawula amabili amathathu. Let me keep it striker. Yeah.
Let's keep striker.
But angazi for mina it's wena la uzongikhipha khona so long as you don't mind mina manje ngikhipha khona like yabo for instance ngobuzanya muza makethi mfethu namakota grand mfethu share kodwa so long as nawe ke ungeke ungidli ikhanda nami mase ngikhiphi kodwa ngithi zokushare kodwa yabo
No,
exactly yeah for me it's
in
that.
our
For me,
defense
it's
as
that.
women, ne, thina emsebenzini sikhola nge-gold star like end of the month bayasibiza sonke sepodroom
Yeah.
bese ustriker usibeka ama-star athi you go girl. You go girl
Wow.
usebenzile well done. Sometimes basenzela i-pizza party but nje emhleni no hayi cha kuhola hayi cha benginamanga
Uyazi ke kwamajita ke nasinohola nge-cold drink ke thina.
namanga.
Yeah.
Even worse.
Ngcono nina kunane-cold drink sesikhola nge-gold star
Serious?
istika basibeka esiphongweni socedile.
You guys are angazi ukuthi then why ninjini Joe like stop this thing yokuthi then a man must provide a man must provide a man
Must
must
he not?
provide. No, that's why a man prefer ukukhuluma nomjita wakhe than to talk to you.
Yeah.
Because vele like you don't provide, so since you don't provide I always provide. That means mina nginankinga so and then when you are not there to lalela inkinga zami. When all you do you just umfanyashi uya cleaner uyawasha uyathetha yabo wena ubona ngathi then ama requirements lawo yacaba some men lota uyadinga ukuthi then nayi 400 hamba uphuza nama gents
Yeah.
yabo
Yeah,
hayi man I saw a
that
nice
sometimes.
movie man I guess phume yazi and then ngiyushawa umoya yabo namhlanje man awuthi ngikhaphe gigini yazi
Ne
yeah
On me.
ngizokubambela ama USB if u DJ
yene
Sure.
yeah
ngizokubambela imic mawusasebhizi
ngizokubambela imic I'm going to studio today yazi let me go with you like is the little things mine nibona ngathi then ngoba ngikuthengela igown mele ungithengele amakaus
yeah kumele ngentweni
no
Ngiyadla,
izinto
ngiyadla.
ezincane hamba
No,
uye
but do
text.
you know what I think, Nem? I think we let social media give like a blueprint of what dating should look
True.
like.
Yeah.
And I feel like wonke umuntu mele ajole ngalendlela yena
Comfortable
ngayo.
Sure.
Yes. Ngalendlela wena that you feel umjolo wakho mele bangakhona. Switch off the world. Nicimele umsindo wangaphandle and be together. Bese nina you'll determine together ukuthi nifuna ukujola kanjani. And obviously, ne as a girl, when I look at social media and I'm scrolling, who's buying, I'm taking my flowers, buying. Iyaba khona leyo nto
Yeah,
ukuthi I
now
also
it's
wanted ne. But angikwazi Novich, ngikwazi ukuthi okay, I don't know how old you are. Let's say you're 27. Ngazi ukuthi you're 27 years old. I'm 25. Angikwazi ukuthi expect ukuthi uyongithengela amabloom besane 3000 ehlobisiwe around yabo. If I want somebody to do that, let me date somebody who actually can do that.
Yeah.
Yabona angikwazi ukukufakela ipressure like ngithi uyithathe kusho ukuthi ngibamba inkunzi
problem lezi
Sure.
ezinemali azinithandi and then nina nifuna uthando nemali at the same time
Yeah,
Ungangifaki
nge-monetary
mina.
no mina vele ngifaka nonke
Yeah.
vele
mina ungangifaki
nonke ngamana bonke
Oh,
abafazi
but you
like
just said ukuthi
no I'm
ufuna-
saying ukuthi mina ungangifaki mawuthi abasithandi
okay if uyakuthanda ke good for you esithi hala
so ubona ngani ukuthi yakuthanda but just
Umuntu.
because uyaspenda kuwe.
yeah
oh no that's not how you determine love you know I found that in relationships where the guy had more money than me, I didn't have a good time. Like, as opposed to when I had money and I was the one in control of the relationship.
Yeah.
I know that sounds toxic, but
No, it doesn't sound toxic.
Ngiyathanda
Toxic,
man ukuba in
man.
control. I like
Why
being
decorate?
I like
Why
being in
decorate?
control, like, of the relationship.
You like to be in control.
The one who has the most money.
So, wow. Okay.
Lo nemali eningi uyo controller i relationship.
Or lone malening will control the relationship.
That's crazy.
According to
It's
you.
true.
No,
Injalo.
according to her.
Kuyenzeka ne nanokuthi lo ngenamali, because one thing about men ne, because people usually say men with money are going to abuse you with their money, but the thing is with men that don't have money, they abuse you with your money. Yabo uzong abuse ngemali yami. Like, and it's happened to me before. Like, I'll admit this, shame. As being joined like, he used my money to abuse me. You know what I'm saying?
Shiny reverse psychology.
Yes, yes. And the blind.
Lawyer. Wena mfana. Uyenze kanjalo ntombi mina ngisalute.
Sure.
Salute uyinja.
We need more of you.
Yo, we need more of you.
Oh, wow.
You should groom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Abanye ne?
Yeah, groom others.
Oh, yo.
Uvule academy sizojoin.
Nah.
Sure.
Noma ungathi malini joining fee like there's no
dope.
problem.
Wow.
If you
Don't
can do
mind.
that to a lady, Joe, abuse ngemali yakhe.
Yeah, especially ohlakaniphende ngami.
Like
Yeah.
Nami ngiyabuza. Like nami ngiyabuza.
Convince ngenye indlela.
Yo,
Convince ngenye indlela,
mina
yeah.
phela ngingasho ukuthi I'm smarter than all of the people I've dated combined. I don't know how these people got to play me like that. Namhlanje ngisazibuza ukuthi yes sis, yo.
No, you know, the problem yenini ne. Nina, once we start showing love, you become niyathamba yani.
Yeah.
Nivele nithambe yaqaba. And la nithamba khona kula striker khona.
Hey, never let your guard down.
Yeah,
Never, ever let your guard down.
La nithamba khona kula striker khona. And by the time you realize ish mara lo muntu lona uyangikhosta sekulate.
Yeah, so good.
Because we know if we strike first, eventually you will stay because you also want to strike. And my lapho sesiba vigilant. Yeah, sesila. No more strike sesenza ngathi and then she hurts. Yeah,
And awukho hurt. Oh, Nina. Oh,
That's
Nina.
why you find most of our guys mabaqeda ku strike bayaz insurer. Yeah,
Sure.
bayaz insurer because they know good and then into buya la
Yeah.
yo mlile big nas umlile big nas and wona uthi qe yaqava ibe bhlungu eventually vele wona so uthini vele mina vele ngifuna ukuphuma kuwe inanana because like I'm tired of you and what
But I am though.
yeah, and what I will say you'll be like, okay, if you want to break up it's fun, but thank you for giving me so much to remember. Then you'll be like, oh man, this guy. But you know, let me move on. Kating namanga very sharp. Bye bye.
And we
Yaqava.
yabona mina ne, you know what I think, ngicabanga ukuthi abafana ngconjule nodwa ngoba niyathandana. Nina amantombazana niwathandi, nithandana nodwa.
Nathi amantombazana wasithanda athanda imali yaqava.
Yeah.
Check most amajita that have many exes, it's either unemali udumile uyasebenza or any sort of relevance
Sure.
that is putting him out there. Yaqava uzoba nama exabaya and uzojola kakhulu.
Oh, God forbid a girl has ambitions.
Because into like you guys are entitled
But
to
you
whatever that we
guys do
have.
that as well. Like the thing is,
No.
you know what the thing is, ne? Abafana angeke ababi kufeed basitshele izinto that girls bought for them like we do. Girls love to show off. Sathanda thina show off. Hence, ubone ngathi most girls do this. Like girls do this more than guys. Abafana, yes sis. Nina ne, the way ingakhona, you guys love men with money more than we love men with money. Like the way ingakhona. Ngoba kufika uGrotmani. Grotmani, yeah, Grotmani.
Ngeke athekana next. Come on, guys.
But lapho Grotmani think drive
Rodman will never say no.
So drive in Grotmani.
Rodman will give you those points. You know when we say those points. Uzokunika uRodman intwana yami mambo thenga ibhodlela nali golf 7. Nyokuruza from where sikhona until ekhona. Pa. Lawo
Uhambe uyashela la endleleni.
Ngihamba ngiyashela la endleleni and I know khona lo ngizohlangana naye onganqanywa or khona le scheme esizongibona uyi1 waba kanqanywa and bazomtshela and uzopayinelwa.
Oh man, abafana.
It's always like that. That's how we compete.
It's kind of sad though.
Yeah, that's how it is. So nina ukuthi and then ngoba manje nina nithanda ukushow off ama ngithengele iteki. That means ukuthi wena mangithengele ikepisi sokumele maye ikepisi elithenga ubhebi.
I'm sure that's what I'm saying. Ukuthi, like you guys, we won't see that amantombazana iron badger because you don't post about it and we do. The truth of the matter is that a lot of men are benefiting from women. Yabona futhi amanes futhi they've been talking about them on the internet. Amanes ayabhejana, abothisha, just women in general.
Hlanganise nenes.
Ngithola Ines.
Don't you have a
Ngazamaness I2 A1 sugar coated. I don't think she's like that. Omunye is my cousin. I know damn well she ain't like that.
Should mele ngisondelane no Sugar. Be your friends no Sugar. Sugar yabo.
Akuhlanganise namaness
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe noma bakuthengele uzoposta.
Yeah, maybe
Next striker Ines. I'm sure naye bekam.
Yeah, striker, you know, well. No, like it's not the first time me hear ngizumuntu athi then ama nesa
Ayabheja.
like ngathi into edumile vele ngathi banaluthando.
It's not even about uthando. If we look, I don't know if I should go deep, but like when you look at it, it's just a matter of ukuthi, you know, my childhood traumas play a huge role in how umuntu turns out.
So all the nurses have childhood traumas.
Not all of them, that's what I'm saying. But I'm just like giving a general like something English ibalekile.
Yeah.
But like mabak up and don't need usasemngane, especially babakho mabak up and so you think you know ukuthi time, you know that guy, you know this guy doesn't like you like that.
We are playing
How to keep him is with the man. Ubaba.
Oh, you play role.
Ubaba kanjani provider for me, provider me.
She's keeping the man in her life
because
she has the fear of abandonment.
Like
yeah, uyazvala. You know, women with daddy issues mostly.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that the guys are going to offend.
I do have my qualifications for ukvala ma pothole, guys. Ne? I do have my qualifications ukvala ma pothole. No, mara ngikhuluma namanes. I'm talking to the nurse.
Yeah.
Specifically. Okay. Specifically.
Groovies, stay away.
What if it grooves still a better? Still no.
I still know.
Sifunela amanesi mfana.
Amanes.
Bazokuphatha
amanesi. Nalezi zisipani ma ofisini lezi.
Corporate honeys.
My corporate, yeah.
Yeah, yabona those ones, yeah. Yeah. No tisha, maruthisha ofundisa foundation phase. Hayi lo shayi content ngabantwana besikolo.
Never foundation face by Shaya.
Yeah, leyo right. Hayi leyo ukuthi ndina shama ma dance challenge nabantwana besikolo high school.
Oh, when ufuna la
yabo. Konje yini? Spono, yeah. Do that spono no consent. Yabona laba ba foundation face.
Yeah. I know Kevin uhambile she. Kevin uthisha wase primary ngisho. He always tells us how cute these little kids are.
But abantwana bayahlupa to.
Phela ngikhona mina ukuba
I thought you were saying ukuthi ngikhona kuba ubaba bese ngikuzuba ubaba.
No, it's nothing.
Yeah,
being
like
a dad, it's nothing.
It sounds like nothing.
Being a dad is nothing because you can be a dad but then not be there.
One thing about it.
you are not a dad then.
This is what I always tell amantombazana. Like, if you're gonna have a child, just be prepared that the child is yours alone. Like, prepare
you know, speaking of that, kona omunye share on the socials. Like ushare leyo post leyo kuthi then meli ucabanga ukuthi once vele ubaba blah 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 ngekho lapho eventually umntwana wakho alone.
Yes.
So girls ungavumi ngeke
I remember that. Oh my god.
But like it went wild. I share the post, I'll be like angifuni ngesinqa mara ngiphuza ngesinqa. So yena emqondweni wakhe was like lo mjito usho mina ukuthi
umjoyela kabi.
Hey, bra, now out of nowhere, wangena baba.
Yeah.
How?
Hey, ngoba itutuza. Hey.
Base bamkhazisela abantu sekayabona ukuthi then
okay.
Bekangasho mina.
I'm sorry.
Yabo, no, hayi pride yakhe mongeke imvumele.
Oh yeah, damn.
Hayi mongeke imvumele pride yakhe ukuthi aqolise. Phela nangapha uyabona ukuthi then uxolisa kubani. Yabo.
Baba umsonko ne strike.
Like uyabona na ukuthi yazi ne sharp. wrong, it's delete my post. Maybe it's a sign and then I'm saying sorry or wrong.
Yeah.
Did she delete it?
Yeah, like who deleted on my post like, where she was shading me and stuff like that.
But that's kind of embarrassing. That's embarrassing.
Yeah, because you actually meant it, dude.
Yeah, I meant it. Maran Puzangin. Fight me if you want. Most girls, especially lava, abo bekeli beko, bathole makrovini, bapuzangin.
Yeah.
That's why there's a lot of amachita that are in jail facing a trial, abulalayo, suicide. It's because of that thing.
Falsely accused of rape.
Yeah.
And all of that. I hate it so much when women falsely accuse men of rape because when my cases are serious, like we rape. Because girl, go home.
And advise me nga waniga machita ne. Yabona especially Kruvin.
Don't take a girl home.
No, okay, ungamthatha ne. Thatha icherry at least oyikenayo. Maybe you've hit before. Hayi lesitoke esisha tanga.
Awumazi.
Take numbers, dog. Like thatha ama number. Maqeda ukuthatha ama number. Okay, niza textana when textana khona. Meet nisoba. Get to know that person. If you wanna smash, you know your ways of smashing. Get there, shine tozako. Le yokuthatha ne ekruvini ekseni. Hey, how you win, man? No, it's bad. It's bad.
Yeah.
I used to do it ne, but ngabona ukuthi and then okungayenzeki kuwe. Ungacabanga ukuthi angeke yenzeke. Because the more ubathatha the more now u-elevate phela isitoko yabo.
How do you convince someone ukuthi uhambe naye ngazani like
But it's very easy. Book rooms.
Did you do that? Oh my God, I have so much faith in you.
No. I'm just saying.
He does, but he won't.
I don't know like I'm going to lezi zinjani. You know, thulile mara hey.
But I don't.
Shine up underground.
But I don't do that.
You don't do that.
I don't take a girl home, pry.
Okay, let's say Sekruvin. Convince again.
No, mukmele udakwe kuqala. You need
okay,
to
sengitakiwe
again. Order ukuthi then like yabo ngiconvince nami.
Uthini bawuconvince?
Yeah, okay. I approach you, we talk, and then after talking, I'll be like, okay, sesiyajiva yabo maybe yakana nangomadlamini sekabheka uma lapho siyajiva lapha etafuleni. Sengiyakuhlebele yo the way ujiva ngakhona ngathi ngakufakisa isandla ejokini. Yabo. Then like I will take it from there.
Talking from XP, baba.
Yabo. Or ngithi yo the way ujiva ngakhona ngathi ngangifakisa isandla ebelini, yabo. So i-respond yakho or i-reaction yakho is the one that's going to convince me ukuthi and then I see on. Then I will continue get cooking, you know. Yeah, maybe I will buy you a 6 nyana, who knows. Or ngithenga inyama. Inyama ne ketchup guys, inyama yabambisana magents. Inyama yase ketchup yabambisana.
Ngezwa kuthiwa ihabli.
Yabambisana nehabli. Yabo yabambisana ne guys. Yeah.
Wow.
Go show something ne. Yazi
What's your name? Wait, what's your name?
I'm Malum Slay ne.
I thought you were mine.
Boom! Because I really wanted to make you mine.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Listen, yazi amachita ne athulile are the ones that are trying more. Bashkarayina kakhulu.
Bayenzani?
Bashkarayina.
Oh, bashkarayina.
Bashkarayina. Laba athulile.
Yeah.
Basekabi.
How
Ukuvila laba
really?
abonqobile.
Yeah.
Unqobile.
Yeah.
Ashkarayina kakhulu.
No ways, bro.
Thank you.
Ngobile kanti wena
Umbona
uJohn.
Slay. Yeah?
Oh, John.
Yeah, John.
Ujohn nobani? John nobani wama top 7.
Ufuna ngisho igama.
Yeah,
It's going
like.
to be hard for him good in the Nashikama because like ish.
Why you mkhulumela?
No, like it's obvious. It's obvious.
I think ngizokubuza later khulileke ngizokubuza.
Ain't no way like you unga keep ungekho sure. You need to be sure.
No, sure.
Sure.
Sure with it. Yeah.
Sure.
Sure.
Hi. You're lying.
Sure.
What do you mean?
I'm
lying?
Why it's I'm lying?
You're lying.
I'm sure.
But enjoy it
yeah,
while it
but
lasts, dog.
While it lasts.
Yeah.
Alright.
There's a question.
Sure. Ngikubuza wena ntombazana.
Yeah.
Mansephi mantombazana into ifunayo?
Sifuna ukujiva ningasibambi.
Namanga.
Ngiyakutshela nasibamba niyathanda ukusibamba. Hello. Ayena.
And then nani yathanda ukuthi sinibamba.
Let me tell you something. Lo uthi lo awumfuni.
Yeah.
You want someone lo umazi ukuthi okay ngifuna u smoke.
No, let's say ne unovich bengimfuna before vele siye catch up ukuthi ngimkhalele like ngiyamazi akusukuthi akumazi unovichi.
Okay, let's say mina ungazi mara mangibona mangikhalela uthi yo this guy
ngikhalela from a distance.
This thing is both ways yabo.
Okay.
Guy unokhala intombazana athi yo untom endlandlula yabo.
Yeah.
Yo my guy
Invoice yakhe imnandi by the way.
Imnandi.
yo thanks
Yeah.
Invoice yakhe imnandi.
yabo sikhamu guys nje asithi oh samuntu untom endlandlula
Yeah.
yabo
Yeah.
unovichi athi hey yo afithi ngiyamthanda lo girl lo yabo.
Yeah.
It's the same thing as girls. Now, no guy ndlula uthi umbona ukuthi like build like the way uguy umfuna ngakhona uthi makandlula uthi yo ladies this is my type, this is my
Yes.
yabo.
Yeah.
And lapho sexually.
So ngiyenzani?
Yeah. What do you do? Avela khwatha.
Yeah,
Hazari.
yabo kuya ngokuthi uwanga kahle.
Yeah, but I'm not going home with him.
Can I tell you something?
Okay.
Lento ifana noku yabo kuma DM. They prefer ukuthi ubani uthi hi.
Of course, akwazi ukubona umubani.
Omunye umuntu angathi hi. Athi bazothi I cat ungazothi hi. Mara makufika unovichi athi hi, babheka iprofile yakhe bese bathi hi.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Akere hake babahle bale
But
babani.
dude, sonke senza kanjalo. Sonke senza kanjalo. We check ukuthi and then okay, njobuthi hi because mostly you can say hi mangibheka lapha ngiyabona ukuthi and then okay, we potential then hi with an emoji because I've checked ukuthi and then like profile yakhe ime kanjalo. What are you bringing to the table already? Doesn't matter ukuthi and then so pitchile or awuphithanga or whatever yangithola. Yabo. So yeah, good DMs goes like that. Goes like that, like straight.
Who's in your DMs?
Who's in my DM? No one.
I don't
No one is
believe
on
that.
my
Who's in your DMs?
No one.
Okay.
No one is on my DMs currently. No one is on my DMs.
Only my girl is in my DM.
Oh, okay.
Only your girls. Yeah.
what the
My
fuck?
girl, not girls.
Oh, your girl.
Not
Actually,
girls.
I wouldn't say about because we'll never know. Maybe umuntu kaChoma is on my DM. Maybe umuntu kaKate is on my DM.
Bese sowuvezile,
Sengiyaveza
sowuvezile.
mase ngiyachaza sengicabanisa abantu, you know,
Uyabona?
because like because like people are lying. I don't know why, guys, but I would really like to know Thandone from you, ne. And then why you view a person based on their social media appearance or behavior, yabo, etc. Like I told you last week, ne, when I was coming here, I bumped to this chick waku Facebook. I know her, yabo. Uyangibulisa uthi hello, ngithi hello mama unjani, uthi ha wena why you humble kanje, ngithi then how why uchaza ukuthi no awukho nje kuma socials. I'm like oh
Yeah.
ngoba kuma socials whatever udumile and stuff like that, they would be like no yazitshela.
Yeah, but I'm sure like that's the image you're portraying on social media. Your social media phela iyakhulumela before you speak for yourself. Like I told you futhi last week when we were having this conversation ukuthi I only got to see uwena wamampela last week. I've known you for quite some time, but I didn't know you personally, yabo. I had preconceived like assumptions ngawe. And manje it's kind of different. I have a different picture of you like. And I actually kind of like Ntokozo. Like he's such a chill gent.
Yeah,
Cool,
such a chill
sweet,
gent, yeah.
marshmallow.
Very.
Yeah.
That's why I say ngigayi too. Yeah, ngigayi too. But people will be like, lo munye sifuna ukumazi sazi lo.
Angisho uyo
Full of himself.
Yeah.
There's a question.
Sure.
Okay. Maybe this question has been asked on this podcast, but what do you guys like
In terms of what?
in terms of FAI? What do you like?
Physically.
No.
Or in otherwise.
No. In preference.
What type of a guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, when
Okay.
you are here now.
Okay.
What do you prefer when?
I like white men.
Analina ke serata stogo sa legoa boy.
No, I'm joking. Like, but this is like my new thing. Like, I'm dating white people now, and
Wow.
yeah, but like it's type me previously physically, ne, with black men would be like tall, really, really like abnormally tall, not just tall, like abnormally tall.
Can I kite you?
Yeah.
But you're not answering my question.
Angisho ngisaqala ngithe
Say
physical.
preference. I didn't say like you. What do you like in terms of white or black? Say preference.
Kanjani.
I want
Okay, when
preference.
let me ask you, then you answer the question so I know how to answer
Or
it.
you want me to?
Yes, answer the question. Bese ngizo-understand ukuthi uyibuza
Like
kanjani.
someone who's like intellectual.
Okay. Oh, you mean okay?
Yeah.
I'm a characteristics womuntu.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. I'll tell you. I like somebody who's ambitious. Mara ongena ambition empty. Like you're ambitious and you're actually doing something to work towards your dreams. 2, you're smart because you have to be. So kuluma ngani futom. 3, you have to be kind. Like yabona, no matter what you do, go for somebody who's kind. Like I like kind people. You have to have manners. I think like that just like sort of covers most of what I like. Like manners make the man. Manners, intellect, obviously. What else did I say? Kindness.
What about money?
Of course I like money. Of course I love money.
Imali X.
Of course I love money.
So imali is ekugcineni or
Can I ask you something? In terms of money, can you like give your guy money?
Can I give my guy money?
Yeah.
Well, I used to do it. I won't do it anymore.
Why?
Hey, small
Ay,
share and hold
Nataba,
man gathano, guys.
Nisile man.
Smoshele,
Nisile.
smoshele.
Unless like ngithola umuntu where like it's not a conventional relationship, you know, because somebody made me realize good. I actually don't want a relationship conventional. I would like to be the one that goes and gets the bread. Ne? Like I'm an executive, so I can't have another executive. I think it's this one. So kapana nginhloko. So manje, if like you're the guy that stays at home or like you have a creative career or like we artist or you author, it works.
Okay, let's say you and Novich, you guys are working, cooperate.
Novich and I could never work corporate. But okay, it's an example.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
it's an example.
Yeah.
You guys are working like corporate.
Okay.
You're earning like good money, both of you.
Yeah.
same salary.
Yeah, I know. No, don't say same salary.
But we're
You
earning
can
well.
differ. Yeah, you're
Yeah.
earning well.
Yeah.
Oh. Will you date him?
Yeah.
Why?
Unemali angisho right. Nami nginemali right. I can't date below me. Like that's yabona ne umama wami bekahlala yisho leyo nto leyo ne and bengicabanga ukuthi usile umama wami makathi kimi I should either date people abakhule the same way ngikhule ngakhona or better. And I thought usile, I was like ayo mama wami snob yabo. I didn't see it. But I didn't see it because then I did date below me and I did see how that caused problems because yazini ithi ngibeke so because unama financial traumas wakhe ne and manje noma sekanemali still isasekhona leyo nto leyo and mina I'm not to suck my own dick but ngikhule kahle like I've never struggled. I was not built for struggle. I'm not made for it. It's not going to happen. So asikwazi ukuthi ngithi ngidla icheese bese no icheese why you cheese emini how could you do this icheese na your skull no like I didn't
Or cheese asiye skaftini.
no cheese iyadliwa mawufuna ukudla cheese idla cheese mawufuna ukwenza ikota ye 50 rand yenza ikota ye 50 rand namachips o 300 nohaluwenza ungawayenza so those things uyabona those things like they really play a role ukuthi wena financial ukhule kanjani ukhumbule money more than anything is an energy so if usasenale energy yokuthi if you still have like a poverty mindset, I'm not saying you're poor, you have a poverty mindset. Uzoyiletha la kimi leyo nto leyo and mina angikho lapho mina mindset yami isemalini. Like I'm not rich yet, but that's where we are going. Manje mawusase stuck ne poverty mindset, it's not going to work for me. It's not going to work for either of us. I hope ngikuphendulile.
Okay, in terms of girls, how do you determine what this guy he's married?
I look at his shoes.
Okay. Uzophe incathulo zakhe ne. Mara, let's say like your dad was not married. Yeah.
My dad was not. Let's say okay, and then
Yeah.
how would I determine?
Like how do you want wena ugayi onemali ekubeni ubabakho beyanganayo?
Angisho phela ubaba wami bekuyi-choice kamama wami nami ngine-choice yami.
Netshosi yakho.
Yeah, if I'm saying I want a man with money. If Umamami was okay with not having a man with money, that was a her decision. I'm saying that I want a man with money.
Why can't you make your own money?
I can want to have my own money and then also want your money. Like lento
Because it's
lena
nice
guys.
ukudla imali
Lento
yena.
le. Yeah, imnandi imali
Imnandi
yabafana.
imali
Angeke ngize nginikhohlise. That's why ngithi mina abantu kumele bajole ngalendlela abafuna ukujola ngayo. If awufuna umuntu ozokucela imali, ungajoli nomuntu ozokucela imali. If you're somebody that wants umuntu ozokupha imali, then date somebody onemali ozokupha imali. That's why I said earlier on Bosaphumile, I think. I said angikwazi ukujola nomuntu olingana nami bese ngim-expect ukuthi they must move mountains for me. It's impossible. How can they do that when I can't do that yet as well?
Can I make one example? Do you know who to Rihanna date one?
Yes. A$AP Rocky. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Good Banangag.
Okay, it's the
I know Rihanna's 35.
It's the same age group.
Okay.
It's the same age group. But who's benefiting there?
More
In
than
terms
the
of-
other.
Yeah. In terms
In
of you.
in terms of what? Finances.
Financial.
Yeah.
Well, Rihanna's a billionaire. So he's benefiting more.
Yeah.
A$AP
Maybe singasho njalo.
A$AP, yeah.
But here's the
Don't
thing.
say maybe, it's A$AP.
Let me
Yeah,
ask you
A$AP.
something, ne? What's the difference in lifestyle between umuntu one 500 million and umuntu one 1 billion? What's the difference in lifestyle?
Ayikho.
Okay, let me tell
Do you see what I'm saying?
Rihanna kind of lifestyle. Lifestyle like it's. Yeah, it's like.
Just got into that
No,
point.
it's like normal lifestyle like it's normal.
Okay.
It's normal.
Yeah.
Uyahamba yenza ama-shoot la yenza khona ama-shoes khona
Okay.
afake ama-bikini wakhe ashute ahamba endlini like it's normal.
Yeah.
Like
You know why?
She's not like flashing like her
Uyakena why?
money.
You know what's the reason? Seka good different phase in life.
In her
man.
life, yes. Because she
Manje,
was that
akasaso
girl.
Rihanna only. Yacaba. Seka i-wife to umuntu and a parent to abantu. Now she's starting to behave like a parent. And let ubaba continue nge lifestyle yakhe yena being supportive and everything. Yacaba. Because like she got all the money in the world.
Can I add
Yeah.
something there?
Sure.
Let me tell you something.
Tell us.
Yeah, well, in terms of like Rihanna, like she was not that girl.
She was not
Bad girl Riri.
She was not that girl. Hence, like she left. About like these superstars, about Chris Brown. And
No,
whoever.
Chris Brown maybe I'm abuser, bro. She wouldn't leave if maybe I'm abuser.
Yes.
Rihanna is that girl,
What
dog.
happened?
Rihanna is that
that
girl.
girl.
Okay, what happened with Rihanna and Drake?
Rihanna and Drake.
Yeah, what
Bazamile
happened?
ukuyenza into ya undercover but it didn't it
But
didn't
it's
happen.
just no, but listen.
Because Drake
It's just
bekafuna ukuthi ibe
wait,
underground.
It's just like anyone. Abantu bayajola bayahlukana. That's it.
That's it.
There's
So
really
Rihanna
nothing to
wrong
it.
Wrong man.
But my point is like,
Rihanna is that girl, dog.
She is. She who the hell she thinks she is.
Rihanna is that
okay,
girl.
what I'm
That's
trying
it.
to say, when I'm sure go to Rihanna, she can date
Anyone that
another
she-
billionaire,
Yeah.
but then she'll never beg.
She'll never
Yeah,
beg.
she'll never beg.
She'll never beg.
What's there to beg, dog? If you are not treated
No,
right,
I think
you can leave. Yazi into nihlalisem mtholweni yini, dog?
I think into ukuthi uhlele ukuzi-articulate kahle. Into that he's talking about is him saying ukuthi, why don't I build that wealth for myself?
Yeah.
Yes, I always advocate for this. I always say to girls,
Ngiyabonga.
go do your own shit.
Ngiyabonga.
So good naye makahamba, you to awusali like you don't like it doesn't leaves you desolate like usakhona ukuqhubekela nempilo. Mina that's why I say my shit and I stand by it, I stand on business.
But sometimes-
because
Thando.
njengoba ngithi mina I want somebody who has money. I'm not folding my hands ngithi okay I want somebody who has money. Lapho I'm not working on
And to
getting
add
my
what
own
to
money.
what you are saying, ne, you might need imali yakhe to start making your own money.
I might.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're not
Like,
wrong.
Like, you guys say God work in a mysterious way. Yacaba. But anikuboni naloko ukuthi endeni ku mysterious. Ukuthi endeni uthole nomjida.
Yeah.
Akunike imali and start making your own money. Yabo, because there are girls who date amajita ayenzeni anemali,
Yeah.
then they end up banemali.
Banemali.
That's why ama-baddies are always winning.
Yazi ukuthi
Because
bapha
ama-baddies, they are
abangihorayo.
working on the looks, ba-approach abantu abanemali.
Yes.
They get in, uyamtshela ukuthi then uyambuza umjita, yini vision yakho? I want to start a boutique. Calela i-boutique, get Instagram followers.
And then charge us ridiculous prices on Instagram.
Charge ama-prices ahlanyayo and start
Yeah.
making money.
Yes.
Then masekanemali, then that's when 11 seyiqala
yazi
iyakhuphuka.
imaphi amantombazane angibhorayo. I know somebody who dated was he still the deputy president? No, I think it's former deputy president who dated the deputy president's son. Next. Yo. Yabona ngathi yabona amathanga ne ahlanzela abanganamabhodo kamampela because I'm like, damn, what I could have done.
Yeah.
What I could have
This
done with
soccer
that
player
money.
now, Hakim.
Hakim, yeah.
Hakim Shatile, I think it was three years back, yabo. And the Wapalisa is Zinto.
Old luck, yeah. With his mother, yeah.
Damn,
Yeah,
I
bo.
think I heard about that.
So, look, Yomaka divorce apparently found out and then Hakim registers in Tongo.
Akatholanga next.
Akatholanga
Oh
next,
shame.
Yeah,
Oh
like,
shame.
in a sense, it's a heist.
No, let me tell you something. That thing, it's a prenup. If you have a prenup,
Yes.
it's like my money will go to Utem. It doesn't matter what I'm married or whatever.
Yeah.
But prenup is also this money will go.
Can't I see in community of property?
Angisho umshado wenu nedecide nini.
Yeah,
If there's no
yeah,
prenup,
also-
then it becomes
That's
from
what
community of property.
Community of property.
Oh,
It's
manga na
like
prenup.
50-50, yeah. But if I have a prenup, like she will know. Obviously, like she will know. Good, okay. Unovish, une prenup, and the prenup like easy. Usembiso, uthatha 90% ema assets wami. 10% ihlala kubantwana bami. Or maybe leyo 90% leyo usithembiso mina kumele distribute kubantwana bami. That's a prenup. It's the same thing with Hakim. I'm told that's a prenup. What's okay? 100% is going to my mom. My shot. So this girl came about divorce her. Like she didn't know about divorce her. Like she found out, oh shit.
She got nothing.
Yeah.
Now let me tell you about Jeff Bezos. He divorced his ex-wife and made her the richest woman in the world.
Yeah.
Damn! And he it didn't even leave a dent in his bank account, dog. Ugh.
Yeah, cause okay. Can I
Yeah,
say something?
yeah,
Yeah, but with Jeff Bezos.
yeah.
That lady, she was smart.
Okay.
Yeah, she was smart. Like she knew from the get-go. Okay, this guy, cause Jeff Bezos upuma from PayPal. Yeah, I'm sure what data from there. So PayPal.
Before Amazon.
Yeah, by taking PayPal, by Amazon.
Damn.
So maba Amazon obvious. Sebashatile already. Baba na bantwana obvious. Seki community.
And then what if big I'm tired about?
Obvious, umuntu uyamthanda.
Yeah, like because we go on like these women don't love their men. They probably do.
Phela relationship is like as ukuthini. Singakhulisana ne. Man, there's a point where okay. I don't know your name.
Kamala Montando.
Tando. Okay. Let's say Tando. Okay, Tando. Mina now sesikhulisene. Ngibeka to this point. Now ngibeka to this point. But now, mina now so itu asakhona ukuya.
Higher.
Yeah.
Okay. Why have we outgrown each other?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's where like you need someone who's okay. I need to from this point I need to get someone ozongisa another point. Now I need to get someone ozongisa to another point.
Okay.
So actually, that sounds like a relationship, transactional. Kahle,
Yeah,
kahle.
no, it's like that, my guy.
Relationships are transactional
Yeah.
in their nature.
Yamanje injalo.
Yeah.
My guy, even like excluding money. Relationship
Yeah.
is like that.
Mm.
Ungayifaki imali. Relationship injalo. Siyakhulisana.
Yeah, Melenken is something from you. You
Siyakhulisana.
gain
Yeah,
something.
exactly.
That's
It has
where-
to be mutually beneficial.
That's where ngisho ukuthi ndeni yabo ukujola nami achievement.
Odlala novishenko.
Yabo.
Nice.
No, to everyone. Umuntu ojola nawo ndo to achieve empilweni.
But he's telling the truth.
He
Rate
is.
yourself
He
heavy,
is.
baba.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yabo. Rate yourself heavy because if you don't rate yourself heavy izoba nenkinga bra. Like izoba
Because khona
nenkinga.
into ozofunisa uthando beyangayazi before.
Sure.
Yabo, uthama Thando be. There's 1, 2, 3. Thando, just go to this school and what and do 1, 2, 3. Yabo, cool.
And also one thing I'd like for men to know, ne, yabo, konje ubani lo abulala girlfriend like abaqoka iskipesi nje lo. Like, yabona if you're gonna like pay for your
Oscar.
No, not Oscar. No, I'm Dubu. Yeah, I was supposed to Lawrence. If you're going to pay for your girl's fees, you should always have in the back of your mind Gutangakshia. So like ungakwenzi if ukwenzela ukuthi umgcine ngayo or like bese my people change. That's the thing about it. So when you make that decision you're going to pay for fees, just know ukuthi at some point angakujikela. And don't take it personally. Take your L like a big boy. Move on. We all take L's in life sometimes, but then move on.
Heist.
Relationship ungathi uthi novice ngimninge 1 2 3.
Yeah.
True. Ukwenza
You were
ngokuthanda
taking that
kwenhliziyo
offline.
yakho. Yes, that's true. So for me, I always also say good shame. Yabona, to all the men that do things for me now, ne, I don't owe you anything. I paid you in my energy. My energy is expensive. So if you're doing these things for me, you're doing them because you want to. And in most cases, I didn't ask for it, but I really appreciate it. Don't think that I don't
Can I
appreciate
correct
it.
you?
Yeah.
It's not energy, it's your time.
Yes, but time is energy.
Time is very important.
But I mean, I don't give them my time sometimes. So like, it's really just like my energy.
Do you know what, like, if you give me 2 minutes,
Ukunikeza okuningi, ne?
yeah,
It's expensive.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah, time is
expensive.
money.
yeah.
That's true. That's true. Man. What Deep in thoughts. When was it? So mawenza lo muntu something they owe you.
Yeah.
What do they owe you?
They owe me.
I don't owe you nothing. I owe you
time and
jack.
Makangacelanga nje yami though.
Especially if angikucelanga. I don't owe you shit.
Mele ngize ngicele yona.
Ini?
Yeah, whatever lo ngenzela yona.
Angisho ngizokuyenzela if ngiyathanda nami.
Yeah.
And mase ungenzekile, so I can't say
Ungazenzi ngathi expectanga something in return.
not really.
Or expect something
Not
in
really.
return. Ungayenzi ngathi manje.
No.
Khona into expectini. But
The
asikho
expecting
lapho.
ngibuno. Like what?
But asikho lapho. Expectile ukuthi uliyo mfethu. Sithiwa yichild or you get child. Into ena kanjani.
Oh, just that. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, cool.
My guy, do you know what if your girlfriend at I'm coming to you, like she's gonna spend like 4 hours. Angayenza ngale 4 hours and I one. Just think of that. Angayenza in 4 hours I won.
Ziningi izinto angazenza.
Njengani example.
Ziningi. It depends ukuthi ndenini lifestyle yakhe injani. Yacaba. 1 hour of content, 1 hour of sleeping, 1 hour going to be smashed by another nigga.
Oh, wow.
No, like yeah,
Mara
that's the
into
truth.
khona.
Yeah, that's the truth. Yeah.
Into khona. So if you're out here thinking like and then when uyabadlela wena udlelwa. Tululu. Tululu.
Ah,
Yeah,
and
it's
oh,
Tululu,
and
yeah.
Arajelo. One thing about it.
Arajelo,
Damn.
man. Arajelo, man.
Arajelo.
Doesn't matter who you are.
Doesn't fucking
Doesn't
matter
matter who you are.
Wajelwa.
It doesn't matter who you
Ngikutshela
are.
ukuthi khona la nga find out I was at this guy's house, ne? I was visiting for the weekend. Nga find out la ngikhamani irest enuma makhe bekapheka kamna isandle kosikama makhe namhlanje ngiyikhumbula ngisayikhalela. Ngakhamwa irice bengakhona enjoy ukudla. Cause kajelwa. Yo,
Doesn't matter who you are. But ujela.
I know my favorites.
It's not.
And this is the game. The game is cold. The game.
Very cool.
Calling relationships a game.
It is a game.
Yeah.
It's a game. That's why Mama kids, I just charge it to the game and move on. Don't hate the player, hate the game.
Phela.
Yabo.
Still out here at M Selections buffet too. I'm chilling with Tando. Tando the wave. Tando the wave. Tando the wave. Twitter wave. Twitter wave. Twitter wave. You should tell us about this show of yours that you have started.
Amantombazane.
Amantombazane. We call
The
it
girls'
Amantombazane.
show.
The girls.
Like the girls' show, ne, it's something that I had planned to do. I think Besa Shuta Kabo Kevin. Yeah, Besa Shuta Memeza when I planned to do it. But because at the time when I wanted to start, there started being like an influx of work. Sakala, we ventured into other things. We got more podcasts onto the network. And there was just a lot going on. And Ukumbulu Striker, we won. Like at the editing, with the editing, he's editing by himself.
I mean, shout out to Strike.
Shout out, man! Shout out to the big
Strike.
little man, guys. Yo. Like small, but Dynamite comes in small packages for real.
And I like it that he's doing all these things, yabona, like ngisikhatsakhe and stuff like that.
Ayeke futhi
Ngiyabonga
sesimjahe.
into yenzeka kanjalo because like it reduces time ukuthi acheat yabo. So every chance ayitholayo ushaya isipani unemedi ushaya isipani unemedi.
Akanasikhathi sokujola
Going out
Yeah,
and stuff
yeah.
like that. Yeah. Yo, shout out to Strike.
Shout out.
Asifuna omunye umuntu futhi ozokuncedisa.
How? Umsebenzi usazobamningi. Yeah, but like I was saying, then kwaqala kwaba nezinto eziningi. There was now the marketing, there was PR, bekhona abo DJ, bekhona ini. So like I had to put it on the back seat for a while until I felt like, nah man, like especially this year, like because at the beginning of every year, like ngihlala with myself, ne? And then I dig deep and find out ukuthi, like what's bothering me, what am I not doing right, where am I lacking, and then I realized this year, no, I think it's finally time for me to do the girls show, because I feel like also I found stability in my spiritual calling. I found stability in other things. So let me just go ahead and do this. I feel like I'm at a point where I can actually impart wisdom to girls younger than me, even women older than me, my age, it doesn't matter. I feel like my content is for everybody. And also because I saw ukuthi women were doing injustice to like a disservice to themselves. I want women to become the best versions of themselves. I want them to go out there, be millionaires, be boss babes. I want you guys to do good, man. I love women.
So I need to understand something, ne? Like based on what you're saying, like you need girls to do this, to do that. Don't you think like also boys need that thing? Because like yesterday, ne, I saw, I don't know, this province, ne, they started a campaign. It's what? Boys something about like Bapusha movement, boys and stuff like that. Don't you think like, and then like now how much that they need that? Because like it seems like you need a name mature, especially you girls, nabo mama. It's like Nina nizitole ni figure out yonkinto.
Okay.
Like you feel like, and then you figure out something like that, and then like it's especially Tina, like just figure out yonkinto life in like it's in a secret, like it's pusha yonkinto, it's right. Why you guys do that? Like why?
Okay, let me speak on that, ne. There's an episode that I wrote, I think a month ago. I shoot because I want to shoot it with a man, and it's up. The thing is, us women, ne, I'll come to you now. Us women, we know where to go for everything. We know that if we're getting abused, we know where to find a shelter. If we've got mental health problems, we know where to go. If we've got anything, we know where to go. And you guys need that more than we do, because you can see the state of the men of South Africa and the things that are happening to women because of men, like femicide. There are things like rape. Guti, South Africa is actually ranking very high in sexual assault cases. You guys need that. Why? Ninjalo. You guys have traumas that you can't face because ankulumi number one, or you don't know where to go, because also you guys get judged a lot. If you go to a police station right now and you say Uthando urepile, do you think they're going to take you seriously?
No,
they won't. You see, so you're not comfortable to go to these institutions to find help. And it's not fair, because that's true. Because now we have to, sharp, we know you guys are a problem, ne? But there needs to be something that has to be done. There has to be something done for you guys, rehabilitated, so that you can become better members of the society. Do you know what I'm saying? But here's the thing, again. It's your responsibility as men to do that for each other, because we do it for ourselves. Like and we can't stand and tell men how to be men. I'm not a man. I can't tell you how to be a man. I'm not in a position where I can tell you, no, which indota yenza kanje, indota rights, indota koto. I can't do it. I'm not a man. And I also didn't have a man tell me how to be a man.
But you know what's going on, ne? Most of you guys, actually the whole world knows. And then boys also face the same challenges in Wafesai. There's human trafficking in a society.
It even happens with men. Yes, that's true.
There's rape.
That's
but
true.
You guys don't start Lauma campaign because and then Axinto yenzakala every now and then. And the Yinto yenzakala every now and then. It's just that it doesn't go on headlines.
Yes, but now that's what I'm saying, Uguti. We do it for ourselves. Like, go when something like that happens to a girl, we are the loudest. That's why I'm saying you guys need to do it. Take yourself seriously so that we may also be able to take you guys seriously. Because Enyu Tonovic, Mastali podcast, people didn't take us seriously. Didn't mean that now we had to stop because people didn't take us seriously. We kept going. And what are people doing now? They're catching on. So if you guys as men started doing that, guess what we're going to do? If you guys start to take yourself seriously, guess what we're going to do? we're gonna take you seriously as well. We might even join you in these campaigns of yours.
But chances of you joining me ukunokuthi ningihleke ngibona ngathi then abhaya ukuthi then ningihleke than
Abantu bazohlezi behleka.
so
Abantu bazohlezi,
let's say
keep going.
let's say bangirepile maybe 2023 I've been reporting leyo nto leyo then it comes ukuthi and then nizongisupporta 2025 khani ningithatha serious why ningangisukumeli mangikutshela immediately ngikutshela Thando
Yeah.
I got raped. Let's go and let's support and start a campaign.
I will support you though.
Come
I
on.
wouldn't laugh at you.
Yeah, you
That's
wouldn't
not
laugh at
something
me
to
because,
laugh about.
It's going to depend what's and then ubani.
That's true.
I see what's and then they were pushing a campaign and stuff like that. See, but they will never do that for Umchita.
It's up to you to do it, Novich. Wait, hold on, Zobuy.
Something. Okay. Thando, would say like you have something to say. Maruti like ufuna with the men.
Oh yes, I was saying
Aren't you sitting with men?
no, it's a specific episode for the girls' show. But I want to sit with a man, like umuntu omdala, not like ngifuna ukukhuluma nomuntu maybe who's like 50, somebody who's seen life. We'll be able to talk about that. Somebody who's been to war, somebody who's a veteran, because those people that went to war during like apartheid, people who are refugees in other countries in refugee camps, men who got raped there, men who developed anger issues there. That's the kind of men that I want to.
Don't you think you can get someone on a 25?
Ngifuna lo ona 50.
Inspires you, yeah.
Yeah.
Ngifuna lo ona 50 because uzoyichaza extensively.
Why specifically?
He's angisho ngiyachaza ukuthi ngifuna who's been to like
not only the parts ye rape and stuff.
Let me tell you something. The only part A50 is apartheid.
no.
But
No.
Yazi ukuthi okay, this episode othi ngichaze kahle, it addresses past trauma, traumas that men have been through, right? So sengikhuluma about this man from back then who's went through a transition of society. Life in 1995 was not the same as life is now. And these people are having a hard time transitioning to 2025. Unovich utransitioned impilo seyila, like Unovich ufast unje because lempilo was already fast paced when he was born. Ngifuna umuntu on a trauma serious ukuthi he couldn't even deal with the trauma of ukuthi he got raped in the mine or he got raped in a refugee camp. Ngifuna umuntu who had to go from that to having a family, to being a father, to being a husband, to watching his children leave and go to school, to staying with his wife by Tuendlin, and how that affected him and how that is affecting him today. How the society today is affecting him and what society is saying to him about being a man. That's what I want. Angifuni umntana omncane because the experience yakhe is just as limited as mine.
don't you have that story in South Africa?
Ngifuna story specific to someone. You don't see this everywhere. You don't see it everywhere. The truth of the matter is akunandoda. Awekho amadoda amaningi who was sitting down and saying, I actually got raped by other men. And when I came back, it made me so angry that I was abusing my wife and my children. And I abused my wife and my children because of this. And I didn't get help. And then I had to transition into a new South Africa. Like, I feel like, ne, because ufuna ukuzwa lento ufuna ukuyizwa.
No.
Like
Ngilalela.
he's questioning everything that you say.
Yes.
Yeah.
He's
listening.
questioning. So like you need to explain it to that extent, and then why you want
Maybe
50 years old.
it's in it.
Already you have 100.
Not about
dog.
50-year-old. Ngiyamanasteni ayikhuluma ne.
So
What
how
I
can a
say?
25-year-old have the like experience uba nomndeni?
No, my point is why like afuna a man, because you can get a lady who's she can experience the same things.
A lady can't tell me how it's like to be a man.
Specifically,
This
ufuna
ngifuna ukuzwa inside. Angisho nihlezi busy. Oh my God, we men can't cry to anybody. We can't, but we hear about it all the time. But like what I'm saying is, ngifuna indoda izosikhulumela. Ngifuna indoda izosikhulumela. Ngizozicide like and to hear how we can as a society better rehabilitate them so that you guys can become better members and participants of society.
it's wild. Very wild. It's wild. Very wild.
Very wild.
Very wild.
Very, very wild.
No, you can't let it happen.
But we can't wait for that episode to come out. So it's after
You
was
have
pregnant.
to wait.
Yeah.
Mara sesikhulumile manje.
Like
But
it needs to happen.
it
Yeah.
really needs to happen, and really, I'll have discussion panels of serious and important conversations, because kuna conversations that we shy away from as society, and we should be having more serious conversations about those things instead. Umjolo, imali, which we've been doing, but like I want us to be able to address those serious conversations. There are things that are going on in our society that we need. We have a responsibility as broadcasters, as media people, to get that information out there, because mainstream media is failing us dismally when it comes to that. Our job is to share information with the world and educate people, so that they also may become better members of society while doing that ourselves at the same time.
Cats, what has
that's
been on
dope.
your mind, dog?
Yeah.
Like lately, what has been on your mind? Like, umqondo nakho since ucabangani nje.
Oh, I mean, I don't know. But like, mina, in topics like this, in discussions like this, I don't really engage much about, because like, I don't have much information about that, because I haven't experienced that.
And that's fair.
Know someone close or experience it.
Okay.
So like, I haven't experienced anything like that.
What have you experienced besides Amachi?
Besides about
Besides the
it.
hands. Besides the hands. Or you are always indoors? Because like usually mina bone.
Yeah, I'm
Like,
always indoors,
like you are a
like,
loner.
I wouldn't say I'm a loner, like,
He's
but
an
like,
introvert.
yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, I would say that.
Yeah. And the but lezo ilezi zinenhliziyo embi.
How?
Yeah, but yabona those people but they can plan a revenge in 5 years, 5 to 10 years. Like a planning revenge.
Not really.
Speaking
I'm
of
not like
revenge,
that.
ne, what do you think like it was a good thing for Scott to apologize?
It was a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure, it was a good thing. Like, Mela apologized because I think he saw now it's okay. Your audience,
So why he said what he said, Lapa go podcast ka LT.
I wouldn't know.
What do you think about it?
What do I think about it?
The whole situation.
Like Eltido leader on now and fall into a trap. Will good trap yaga Eltido.
It makes Eltido an amazing interviewer.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
uyakhona ukubreak umuntu and
Yeah.
umbreakile and umbreak it to a
Yeah.
point yokuthi ndeni yena mekacanga ukuthi ndeni uyamshayinisa kanti ushayinisa i-podcast
Damn.
ka Eltido.
Damn.
Like Eltido got lento le like ke wabona bathi confirmation.
Sure.
Yeah, vele mina nginqanywa. Yacaba.
Oh, bekafuna ukuyi-confirm.
Yeah, bekafuna ukuyi-confirm and
Yeah, because
wanted
it was
to be out there.
speculation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kuthi ndeni hayi it was izinto zakuma-social, you know, because like a celebrity, even if angayiposta nge-original account, he might come back and say, hey, I was hacked, what. You know, people
So
don't
he
like
had to
me.
say it verbatim.
So, yeah. And at that time, you see, like, lento le ayenzile ne, iyambonisa ukuthi ndeni unemali because of us. Yacaba. And manje amaGrootman ambonisile. That's why Paul was there to tell him ukuthi ndeni endod bakwatele strategy.
Sure.
Yacaba.
Apologize.
Like apologize. I-pride yakhe mengafuni. Yacaba. If you watch that live le and uyayibona ukuthi i-pride yakhe, because at first utheni mabakwade. Uyangithola. Until abone ukuthi ndeni like sekatshelwa abantu ababhayi ukuthi ndeni bayakhansela yabo angeke basakubhuke because you saw what happened with Cotton First. Ain't no way. Yabona ngibona ngathi ndeni sometimes and it's wrong for the Scots out uyangithola. And manje omunye umuntu yazi wathini kimi ngambuza something yabo. And before ngizonitshela cela ukubuza nina kuqala. Who do you think it will last between Ulim Crazy no Scott Maphuma? Who's going to last in the game?
Well, according to like public perception, I think abantu bacabanga ukuthi maybe Limeke will last.
You know, I'm saying it's going to be Limek. Besides Scott.
Do you know what I say?
Yeah.
I say that if Scott Maphuma gets an amazing PR team, like uyambona ukuthi akana PR team because he had a PR team, this whole thing switch around very quickly, would have been cleaned up very, very quickly.
Yeah.
If Scott gets a really good PR team, he might recover from this. He might. That's what I'm saying. Because when it comes to cancel culture, like nobody's ever indefinitely cancelled. You can't 100% cancel someone, you know. So if he gets himself an amazing PR team that has great PR tactics, like for instance, Unorthodox Media Productions, they have an amazing PR team, right? If he got those people, and the head of PR yakho Yazubani, him, man, if he got if he got that,
Shoot.
he might have a chance to come back. Because here's my opinion on this matter, ne? Before you go back to what you wanted to say. Scott, ne? I'm not saying he's not talented. He is. But he's not so talented to act as pompous as he is, because somebody else can do what he's doing. Like, you can do it, and I feel like you do amazing at it.
Yeah.
And it's way too early in his career for him to be acting like this. Bekumela solidify. Like, fake it till you make it. You don't like people sharp. Because you said that you wanted to be famous. And I'm not saying, and it's not like Abantu were talking smack about him. They just wanted to take pictures with him. And there's a video I saw where this guy was just trying to get an interview. And it hurt. He's not in a position where he can do that yet. Like, he had to wait for his before he can go around being the big guy. He's not there. Anybody else can do what he's doing. He can get replaced tomorrow. That's the thing about the entertainment industry. There's always a kid who's studying the game to the letter, and they'll do it better than you. Bese siyakhohlwa. Bese sozocela donations.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah. Yeah. And as I was saying, I'm saying Limek, and reason why I'm saying Limek, besides the hits and other stuff, you'll never find Limek in a scandal. Yabo?
Yeah.
Like Limek took the Limek from Kasi to that level.
Sure.
Young Tol. Limeke is Limeke. That's why most of the time you'll find you can book Limeke, but it's pretty hard for you to book Scott. Because Scott told himself, and I'm the shit. I'm that guy. Reason why? Because Scott doesn't have a bad song. Like, every song I drop, like it's a hit song, you know,
Yeah.
like it's a hit song and stuff like that. So I think that goes into his head and be like,
I'm the
guy.
I'm the guy. And currently, I'm topping the charts. If there's a song that is topping the charts, I'm there. You know, because beginning of the year, Imbolegeni was the one topping the charts. Young Tol. And the Lapayana, obviously, like, he's currently upete in Ngachukuts, and then a big 20 Yaguma piano industry. Because there's PC there, there's Extampi, there's Maporisa, you know, even Kabza is there. So, Liana, feeling at and then like, and then as in Manj, I'm at that level. And for my side, I got a level like a stan.
Not even.
Yeah.
I got a level like a stan, I got a level like a toss.
I was about to say.
Yeah.
Oh my God, toss.
And toss, save the talk that day. Talk actually saved Cheetah. Go Kotin first in town. Like save Ville. If he didn't do Lento Leotosa Yenzi, we will be speaking different, because like now bamfuna like out dog like abasamfuna even if makabukiwe once lo muntu wa poster bamtshela we're not coming. And there are
fuck off.
And then there are people like Chris Excel Njayam who getting paid to cancel people. If I'm a pusher in and Njayam leyo agenda which Scott must be cancelled bazomcancela because like Chris Excel Njaga has the power of the internet. And once you get that power, Njayam,
sure,
you can do whatever. Like Nano Yacherlo, Chris Axel means a profile like Bianca was complaining, dog.
It's like, horrible what he's doing, though.
Yeah, it's horrible.
Because like Uti Aban Bams on, people are talking bad, but throw my shades
because they think it's her.
Uluza Ispani and stuff like that, young soul. And I don't know, but I think Lim Chris would last, dog, and the Masaka last still, and people will appreciate Yena more than Scott.
That's true.
And the Manjabam appreciate.
Like this thing, Scott can be spinned. So yeah, I wanna this thing keeps me up at night. Like I am busy like developing strategies for this guy. This is what can happen. This is what if he has a PR team, they're failing him dismally because this thing can be a matter of Unanga Scott.
I think 28.
He can use this as an opportunity for growth. Like I was growing up. Like, guys, fuck. When what's your face? Scott's. Like Unorthodox Media Productions has got you. We've got PR services.
Problem is that
services, artist management.
Like they don't wanna give out money. Bafuna yonke zegubo. If njoba usho, if Stan ne, I will speak about Stan. If Stan never had a strong PR behind the end. Mongeka fike la khona uyangithola mongeka belo Stana lo awuye manje like uStana like he remained humble. Scott needs to be humble. Be humble.
That's true.
Dog. Be humble.
down.
Sit down.
That is
Sit
so
down.
true. That
Keep
is
dropping
so
on my
true.
heat,
That
dog.
is so. But when you said Utos Uguti, he should have studied the game from people like Abotos who are also just like entering the market like that. Because relatively, Abotos are still new. Relatively. You've never heard a scandal ngotos. Awukaze weza wathi uTosi. Hey,
Toss
kuphi kuphi
this, toss
sekayenzeni, sekayenzeni. You study the game from
And
those people.
You know what people are saying? Hey, bafuna ukucancela uScott, mara kunabo Shebeshita abaklapa abantu. Okay, fine, Shebeshita yaklapa mara ngeke ngiklapa ungayenzanga next.
Apparently, Vele, he has a
Ane-
hit list.
But Shebeshita will never angeke attend umcela interview or ucela isithombe.
Push it away.
Because it's
Push
for
it
the
away.
people. You need to understand your work.
He
is for
knows
the
that and then abantu baselimpopo made him.
Exactly.
Another thing vele I wanted to add, Joe. Ushebe in as much as vele ashabantu ngilapha. Sekuwukuthi nje usindo ngoba uyazi na njengoba uShonovich athi his fans made him. Uyazi ukuthi everyone has made him.
Acknowledge.
Akafikanga la khona nje ngokusuza or by the grace of God, but he had the support or backing yomphakathi. So that's another thing that reinforces ukuthi uShebe asimind man akasihlaba ngempama ndoda.
Because he said that appearance.
Kunale
gangster
at least
Yeah.
mfethu
That's his
siyazi
good
ukuthi
friend.
Yeah.
exactly.
Good friend.
Angeke uhlala ungayika uShebe besumangale nabeshaya umuntu ngempama. Mara uyazi mfethu uShebe kanti wena bothini.
When you say something about him on the internet, uyakuthatha kubekeza i-wallpaper yakhe ne kuthi azokubona njalo
makakubona
uzokukhumbula
vele.
bese makakubona bathi discharge of firearm twahla ngempama.
And like Limpopo it's a very dope place, you know. Have you been to Limpopo?
It is, yeah, my dad
Limpopo
used
is
to
a very
live in
dope place.
Limpopo.
I think like there's this guy, Mafitsotso. Do you know Mafitsotso? Sfiso, presenter ye Piano Pals.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yes, oh the porn star, okay.
Oh, I didn't know he's a porn star.
Oh, that guy
He
porn
was.
star. Sibona ne video yakhe not so long ago.
I went.
No, he does his thing, shame.
Mara, it's a good thing, you know. Like angeke njalo when you into right. No, Sfiso like he's like manager, like he's into the music industry kakhulu yabo.
Okay.
And like he was asked ukuthi then why ashaye i talent search
Okay.
eLimpopo. Wathi eLimpopo kune talent because kune support.
Ish.
Once I
Eish.
discover someone from Limpopo, I'll definitely know ukuthi and then into yakhe izoba right.
Yeah.
I won't lose. Yabo. That's what the same thing that DJ Car is doing. Megazi ukuthi and then what Mashuga I'm going to win.
Mina
Let me
ngingenasho ngathi
invest kulo yamchita lo ya.
ngifuna ukwenza ingoma yamapedi. Into engizoblow up ayona. Yes, sis. Into yomshado. Into engizoblow up ayona. Like those people support each other. Like they support each other.
Like they support
Yo.
uMaskandi uMazulu.
Yes, I wish we could do the same thing in the East End.
So
like,
but Maskandi is nonsense, but the way no support
no, it's not.
Not
Yo, Maskandi is nonsense.
Not nonsense. Not Muscat.
nonsense.
Yo, and the quite like a Limpopo that I love ne, by this girl, Shandishi. She's so pretty. Like, it's such a nice song, dog. Like, I've been jamming to the song. Like, a guilty pleasure I am. Like, I wouldn't, like, go out in public and show people that I was listening to the song, but I guess I was like, nah, yo. As a teen.
What's your current favorite song, Tang?
Current favorite song, yo. It's a hip hop song.
Yeah.
Like, Church on Sundays by Loyal Turnover Pounds.
Yo, dog, you know I don't know those niggas.
You don't know.
Utsubani?
Loyal Turnover Pounds, the guy who made
Soshplat.
Soshplat.
Oh,
Yeah.
Lolative Pound.
That's my
Obani!
current
Lolative
favorite.
Pound.
Lower Tinova.
Lower Tin. Mina ngithi Lolative Pound.
No,
Lower
Lower
Tinova.
Tinova. Lower Tinova.
What?
Lower Tinova.
Lower Tinova.
Lower Tinova.
Lower Tinova.
Yeah.
Igama lakhe be igama lakho Lwatile.
Lwatile.
So
It's
Lwatinova.
in Kamala ingoma.
Church on Sundays.
Church on Sunday. Eyakho.
mine is I like Neo Soul, ne? So like my song, kind of favorite song is one is Long Walk by Jill Scott and two is Tell Me Why by God Street Park. It's a band, yeah, but Abelum, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's yours?
Yeah, mne.
Yeah.
There's this guy, Utsibos. I think it's Tibos Nozingumalo.
Yeah, it's in. Ngisakutana mina.
Dog. Like
Imnandi leyo
Yo,
ngoma
yo, yo, yo.
ngisakuthanda.
Ngiyakuthanda Dali.
Yeah,
Ngiyakuthanda,
yeah.
Ngiyakuthanda, like it's very dope, too. Yo, very.
And it's topping our charts like EK.
Why
Yeah.
mina wangbuza?
I mean, Buzo because eish.
Ngiyanathanda ngighost mara wangibuza.
I don't feel like there's a need to ask.
Why?
I don't feel like there's a need to ask.
Why?
Asumunto music when.
Yeah?
Asumunto music, you listen to the same music every day because you
No,
always
no,
said
no, no.
groove, Baba.
No.
Okay, what's your favorite song right now?
Now,
Yeah.
it's by Questa.
Okay.
Nyakazo.
Oh, Anyas.
Nyaka.
We don't know it, that means it's not dope.
Mina ngithanda idlala vilakazi. La.
Yeah.
The music video is immaculate.
It's the same album. You keep in mind.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
man.
listened to. I didn't know. I didn't
album.
even know there was an
Listen
album.
to that
But
album.
I'll listen to it. I like Questa.
Do you put Questa like ngathini, pioneer of hip hop?
Yeah, I
Is
do.
Questa a pioneer of hip hop?
He's
What's a-
one
what's a-
of
what's a
one of the
pioneer?
pioneers.
Was once a pioneer.
He's one of the
it?
pioneers.
What is a pioneer?
A pioneer, I can say, is someone who masters and groom hip
of
hop.
SA hip hop?
SA hip hop, yeah, like from the roots, like bo Super Mega.
I feel like Dala no Questa,
Yeah,
guys.
like
Dala.
bo Super Mega, so
I would put him there. I would KO.
KO.
Yeah, I would put him there. I would.
I could say Ricky. Yeah,
Nah,
because
Ricky's
came
relatively
later.
new.
He came later.
he came later.
Yes.
But he's not a pioneer.
Questa.
Because he brought so many talents.
Have you ever listened to
Brought so many talents
Questa's
into
story and how he started rapping and where he came from? That
No.
nigga, excuse me, it had been a while. It had
Yeah, it's
been a while.
been.
And it sounding like Questa is very, he's not like, he doesn't sound like everyone. Like if you can hear Ngoma Questa, you'll know, oh, okay, this is Questa.
Yeah.
Kind of sounds like Kid X, not the same thing per
But Kid
se,
X was
but like,
groomed by-
we are you told a lenting sure.
Can I add something?
Sure.
You see, Questa with this album, like he was trying to show everyone, like he's been in this game.
And
Yeah.
he been.
Yeah.
He been.
If you guys can take your time and listen to this album, hey,
Arnana
do it.
komfethu
Now I'll do it. I'll do it.
Remamela bothoni no libo simamana arnana komshimani.
listen to it.
Arnana. So can you please like name your top 5 pioneers of hip hop?
Of hip hop.
Yeah, since you're a
Okay, I'd say definitely KO.
KO.
Absolutely. Yo.
I'd say Squatter Camp, like as a group. Squatter Camp is also
They
one of
did
the.
something for SA
Yeah.
hip hop, yeah.
And then I'd say in Cash Time as a group.
Tear gas or cash time?
Oh, wait, Tear Gas.
Oh, but also,
not
Not
Cash
Cash
Time.
Time.
you can't
Tear
have
gas.
these big.
Tear
He
gas.
can't say cash time, that's
Oh, yeah,
why.
yeah, yeah.
That's why. Cash time came in at a time where the hip hop game in South Africa was changing and was about to lift off.
Yeah, yeah.
He can say that.
So if you
because
say, if
in
you
a
say
way they
Cash
did
Time,
they
that
did
means you're
influence
also saying Poison Parks.
they did influence
No, it's
culture
not the same, bro. It's not the same.
in
Oh, because-
KZN.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, so okay, Squatter Camp, I'd say Tear Gas.
KO.
I'm saying Pro Kid,
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Proverb as well.
Yes.
And then
Yes.
Tommy, like Stogie
Yeah, I guess
T.
it's a similar conversation.
Yeah.
Stogie T.
Yeah,
I'm
Stogie
sorry.
T is also one
sorry.
of the pioneers.
WHP, dog.
Yeah, also there's WHP. There's many guys.
Those
who-
people
yeah.
like Zagwe.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
No. No.
No.
But I feel like you know, like you need to stay relevant until this time, in order to become a pioneer. Like
I
you
want
need to,
Umuntu
like,
who has done that.
KO.
KO.
bro.
KO is a legend. Is a
Legend,
legend.
yeah.
And I wish that we give him his flowers before he dies. And Omunye Umuntu I feel the same about is MT. MT
yeah.
deserves to get his flowers before
Flowers,
he
fully,
dies.
fully.
He deserves. If this is something that Usizwe Dlomo said, with this guy he deserves to get his flowers. Phela ukuthi uhlusha ilezinto ezimhluphayo kuphela.
So
But
MT
that guy, MT,
so music-wise,
Damn.
industry-wise, MT is above Aries and Nasty C.
I believe he's above A. Reese. I don't know. Because A. Reese is not a type of artist ukuthi blow up and
Yeah,
he
he
becomes
wants
a
to
big
go
thing.
commercial. Yeah.
I don't think he's that type of artist because
Since-
music
I'm asking
wakho
because,
is
like,
very.
since like they came in the game like at the same time.
Yeah.
Like they are like singakhona ukusho ukuthi manje number 1 MT.
Singasho
Yeah,
yazi
we
why.
can say.
Singasho yazi why. U-MT wenza music ongamamelwa uwonke umuntu. Like everybody can enjoy u-MT. Damn. Everybody can enjoy MT, ne?
Yeah.
But not everybody can enjoy and understand Nasty C.
Or
It's the
Aries.
same with, and forgive me for bringing this up. Actually, don't forgive me, I don't give shit. It's the same as Drake and Kendrick Lamar.
Yeah.
Why am I saying this? Why am I saying this? Drake has more numbers than Kendrick Lamar. Does that make him a better artist? Does it make him a better lyricist?
But numbers don't.
Nah.
Drake is a
Wait.
better artist.
Hold
Drake
on.
is a better
Hold on.
artist.
Drake
Hold
is a
on,
better
niggas.
artist.
Yeah.
Better artist.
Okay.
Who put it? Who in the game?
Okay.
Who was touring with who
Allow
before
me.
they knew
Drake,
you?
yeah.
So now allow me to speak, right?
Okay.
Can I comment there?
Just because ngicela ningiyekele ngikhulume kuqala ne bese mase ngiqeda ukukhuluma uzothi sengiqedile bese ke seniyakhuluma. I'm going to make an example. Just because an influencer is on Kaya FM and I'm at EKFM doesn't make the influencer better than me at radio, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. So what I'm saying is, Kendrick Lamar cannot be understood by everyone because, and I understand more than anything that people's intellectual capacities, intellect yabantu ihamba kanje na kanje umuntu nomuntu intelligent ngendlela yakhe, but mase sikhuluma ngeintellect yamampela ukuthi umuntu uhlakaniphile uphiwe ngokwengqondo. Yibo abantu abakwazi ukumamela uKendrick bamamele understand 100% and not everybody's gifted like that. Drake makes music for the masses. Music understand wonke umuntu, and that's what gives Drake those numbers. For me, like gun to my head, it's Kendrick Lamar. Like all the fucking way, like all the way. Like not Drake ngahlala ngamameli forever and ever. Ngimameli Kendrick Lamar kuphela because I do feel like he does it better.
But we are talking artistry here. We are talking
artists
music.
Because numbers
You
don't
guys are
lie.
talking numbers, yes. But I'm
Yes,
saying
numbers don't lie, and
It
we are
doesn't-
talking about
it doesn't-
being an
it
artist.
doesn't make him
you
a
know what
better
MC
rapper.
said about there's this kid.
Ken Kid.
Ken Kid. Uthi ayeke ukushaya bombastic words. Ayeke ukushaya bombastic words and rap.
Yeah.
Then career yakhe izolasta. People don't care ukuthi wena isofu libiza ngelinye igama. A couch is a couch.
yeah, but like regular folk.
Ngiyacaba. And because people who understand loyal music as usho when basic people understand loyal music are the ones that are making you to have numbers.
I understand that.
So it doesn't matter ukuthi
I understand that.
bombastic words and you need level of understanding angazi like IQ yakho kumele ihambe kuphi. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Put out the music
Okay.
and top the charts. That's what we want.
Okay.
Put out the music and top the charts.
Okay, mina I won't lie. What Sando is saying is true. Ne? Like it matters to be intellectual, like about music work. But like Kendrick, he's shown only that music work. But more than Drake has shown more. Which Drake can sing, he can rap, he can do like about various
Kendrick
things.
And that is
only
true.
rap.
Yeah,
He's very
he's
versatile.
yeah, he's very
I'll give him
versatile.
that.
Kendrick
He's
doesn't
That
versatile.
makes him a better
Kendrick
artist.
doesn't
Okay.
sing.
Fair.
Yeah,
Fair.
that makes him a better artist.
If they say Kendrick, can you please drop a love song? Yo.
Ah, yes! Do it!
Yo. Yeah, no, so yeah, but
Sure.
you'll never do it better than
So,
Drake.
Sean,
yeah.
Novich, don't you
Yeah.
know there's a song, Kendrick Lamar and Rihanna? Don't you know that song?
Yeah, icon.
But Kendrick there
It's
is,
dope.
is like he's singing.
My cousin got expelled from school because of that song.
Like Kendrick there is
Bamlengisa
singing.
Rihanna so.
My guy, if you can listen to them, Kendrick, most of the songs, like he's singing there.
Is loyalty doper than whack? Yeah.
Depends on how we're speaking about
No,
it. If ujayivisa abantu.
No, I'm
If
asking.
ujayivisa abantu,
Okay,
sure.
okay.
I'm asking.
Okay, no.
Asking.
Work is doper than loyalty.
Thank you.
That-
That
that-
was my question.
Yeah, that's the truth. That's the honest truth.
Sure.
Yeah, well, okay. Yo, I didn't want to say what I'm a what fan. Mara, yeah, it's fine. Okay, I'm a Drake fan, ne? But you see, this altercation by Zagara, I believe Kendrick, like he took it, script Saga Drake, which I know, which okay, this one he will beat me with a melody song. That's why like he made
A
not
clap
like
band.
a eyes, not like that's why because like if you can check like you can go back and check like I'm a this what trick what Peter and melody song.
But not all of them are melody
Do you know what I'm
songs.
going to say about the
And
beef as a whole though?
If Not Like Us was not a club banger, and if Meganga Tisu Drake, it would be doing numbers.
Yeah, it
Okay,
wouldn't.
let me come to that point. Ne? I'm gonna say something about this beef as a whole. Ne? Drake shouldn't have engaged. And why am I saying that? He had more to lose than Kendrick did. Kendrick gained more from this beef than Drake did. And Drake should have stayed away from it and Begazoba right. Like, because Kendrick gained way more. And yeah, sure, he gained more ngokusebenzisa igama laka Drake because he was dissing Drake. Because Drake is so big when it comes to numbers. Drake should have stayed away from it.
Yeah, that's true.
That's the truth.
It depends.
Yeah, but it does.
Depends.
Yeah, it does.
I can diss you, Ntanga, and not get nothing. And diss. Pela, it's not the first time Kendrick Lamar dissing someone. It's not the first time.
It's not.
It's not. And Drake can diss anyone, and that person will pop. Because Drake controls the
Yeah, and
numbers.
Pusha T. A lot of people didn't know who Pusha T. On the side of the world didn't know who Pusha T was until.
No, but can I say
Also
something?
Meek Mill now.
Like Drake,
They also had their
Kendrick, he was gunning for J. Cole and Drake for a long time. Which like I decided to one between the two.
And I respect J. Cole for deciding to. I respect.
Cold feet.
I respect
I
it.
think-
He would have lost the most.
Cold
No,
feet.
no.
No, do you
He-
know what
he
I'm
wasn't
saying?
gonna
Do you
lose.
know what I mean? I'm not saying he was going to lose
Wasn't-
the
He
beat.
wasn't gonna lose.
It's in the same. It's in the same as the same line of thought where I'm saying, Drake lost more than Kendrick did because Drake was so much bigger. I'm saying, J. Cole did himself a favor by stepping back. I'm not saying that he wouldn't be there lyrically or otherwise. I'm just saying he did he made the best decision. He did what I felt Drake should have done.
But okay.
Coward.
Okay, I understand what you're saying.
Coward.
No, hey, that guy's not a coward.
J. Cole, la, particular situation, ube
Yeah.
coward.
Yeah, he,
No, like
Ube coward. Hey, Baba,
let me
when
say
they call
something.
your name, Baba, you should respond. Doesn't matter.
no, let me tell
You're
you
not doing it
something.
for yourself, you're doing it for the game.
Yeah,
you
no,
are inside the
entertaining.
game.
It's
the thing is
entertaining.
like Kendrick Camp, but say J. Cole, just leave it. Because Kendrick was gunning for this guy for a long time.
Hey, dog, I called out your
Kendrick
name.
Camp, but say just
So he
leave
was
it.
gunning
Fuck
for
the
who?
big
For
three.
Hold
For
on.
Drake.
He was
Fuck the
gunning
big
for
three.
Drake.
Yes, for a long
Fuck
time.
the big three.
I thought you were
For a
saying he was
long
gunning for J.
time.
Cole.
Dog, uthe lo muntu uthe fuck the big three. So that means now uthanda ngiyakufaka la. When I say fuck the big three.
Okay, my guy, but okay, let's say.
Ngiyakufaka lapho.
Okay.
So when you gonna go silent because and then una megafuna wena. So
Okay.
I should go silent.
Can I say something to you?
Yeah.
I'm sure who's this guy? J. Cole. Keep it this track.
yeah, what
It was pointing to who? Kendrick alone.
Yeah.
But you know what respond to Kendrick J. Cole? No. Respond to Kubani Pela?
Okay.
Exactly. Because like from long time my guy, like this guy was gunning for this guy.
Gagada mfuni.
Yeah, even
And then uDrake uyisho nini? Uyisho engomeni zakhe zakudala wathi
Yeah,
then
athi-
they're gonna come against him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my guy, even this guy, who's this guy? Yo, so to mention this guy, the podcast, Joe Perez.
Joe Biden.
Joe
Yeah.
Biden.
Yeah,
Joe
Joe
Biden,
Biden. Yes. Just listen to that guy. Every time, that guy is gonna mention Drake. Because Drake, like he.
I feel like dissing Drake makes you relevant.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think
that's
dissing Drake
why.
makes you relevant.
Okay,
And-
check Kendrick now. That guy, he was supposed mengamelang ay lapha ku Super Bowl.
Because of this Drake and did a clap bang.
It worked for him. Congratulations to Kendrick. Let's wrap up this conversation. This episode was nice.
Congratulations when Kendrick Lamar. Ubongelwa yothina ama-fans ka-Drake. Siyakubongela guys.
This was M Select, sponsored by Select Reserve. Jameson Select Reserve. Ngiyadlala kodwa bayeza kodwa ngiyadlala kodwa.
Manifest.
Yes, siyamanifesta first. This was very nice. I enjoyed sitting with you guys.
You
We
should.
also enjoyed.
Like you should. Like you should. You should. Tailor-made for this shit. You niggas
Of
ain't cut for it.
course. Of course.
You wouldn't do it if you weren't getting a cut from it.
Put my niggas on. Now the studio
studio
started. Yeah. This is your point of James Ntwana Sekasi na Mapupa Setolopeni. M Selection. We out.
This is Tando Mash, Tando the Way. We will fuck around and drown of these ways.
And this is Mobs the World, and we out.
Danko.